How's your quarantine hair holding up? Are you letting it grow out? Have you shaved your head yet? Because this is driving me insane. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, I'm Tyler, and this is how to edit speed and duration. Are you working on a time-lapse video? How about that footage of your pet going ham into a full sprint you want to throw into slow-mo? Or maybe you've created some foolish time constraint as the premise of your channel and there's no way all the words will fit into a measly 2 minutes. Have you watched this one? Do you hear how fast we're talking? Of course I had to speed it up. Well, this might be exactly what you're looking for in any and all of those scenarios. Editing speed and duration has helped me out in a pinch countless times, and it does a good job of syncing things up without much of a noticeable effort. Now, Premiere Pro is what I use for all of my editing, and while the specifics won't really carry over into other editing software, hopefully you'll still learn some things here that you can use in your own way. First off, you want to have whatever you're trying to affect down there in the timeline. Once it's there, go ahead and right-click on it and select Speed and Duration from the drop-down menu. This will open the window for any changes you need to make. You'll see a percent marker that always starts at 100. Any number over 100 will cause the video to speed up, while anything below will cause it to slow down. If you care less about the speed of it and more about the duration, then you can set it below to any specific length to make sure it fits the space it's meant to fill. Underneath these two are some more variable parameters you can apply. Reverse speed will have your content play backwards. Maintain pitch will try to keep you sounding normal when changing video speeds. If left unchecked, it could make you sound like
a chipmunk
or the
Dark Lord himself.
The Ripple Clips checkbox will stop your edit from removing other video. It'll also clear any dead air you'd be creating by shortening your clip. Time interpolation is its own drop-down menu with a few options, but their only noticeable differences are on slower videos. Frame sampling will abruptly jump between frames, blending will shift, causing a blurring effect, and optic flow is the most seamless of the three, creating a clean transition between the frames. Obviously, there's plenty of other software out there, and apps, and phones themselves that will give you different options when it comes to editing your audio and video, but hopefully some of the things you could have heard here will carry over to what you use. And seeing as we have a little bit of extra time left, why don't I go over some examples of how I've used these things in my own editing that might give you some ideas how to use it towards your content. That's the word. As I mentioned previously, preparing for Endgame, which wasn't really the best application of the effect, but the slight speeding up of each video ended up getting us right under the 2-minute mark. On the April update, I slowed the cat's mouth slightly at times so their lines back and forth would sync up more conversationally. Their voices, however, were not affected by speed changes, but by a pitch shifter that I'll go over in a different video. Over on my YouTube gaming channel, I sped up a video through some long deliberation over what to do in a turn of Mario Party. On another gaming video, I slowed down a clip for a replay during a Smash Bros. Level 1 CPU tournament, and if you don't know what any of that means, you're probably better off. There are so many ways that you can insert speed and duration into your editing. Some are for fixing things, some are just for having fun with it, but hopefully this video has given you an idea of how to start using it, as well as ways to implement it into your own videos. If there was ever a point in the footage I used for this video that you see my arm just randomly going back and forth, I'm not doing anything weird, there's a cat in my lap. Oh, nope, she doesn't want it. Okay. Well, thanks for that. Now I can put that in the video. You hating me. Duration has helped me out in a pinch countless times, and if